Ako muna.
Yep.
Open your eyes, Lian. Happy Valentine's.
And Kuya Davon, Happy Valentine's Day! Hi fam! Welcome back to our channel and Happy Valentine's to everyone!
Good afternoon na, Calgary. Maayong hapon.
Yeah, and it's snowy day today.
Super snow.
Oo.
Since kagabi ba? Or kaninang morning?
Kaninang morning.
Sabi medyo ano na to, medyo pakapal na ulit. Nawala siya nung 3 weeks ago. Bumabal na ulit.
Yeah, continuous siya the whole day. Buti na lang walang pasok ako. And
sobrang lamig niya. Talaga.
yeah.
Next, ngayon sa minus 18 degrees.
Ayos ng bahay, nagluto ng konti para mag simple celebration na lang kami sa bahay kasi hindi na kami lalabas. Masyadong malamig and nag-snow nga.
And nakapag-date na naman kami.
Kapag-date na kami kahapon. Nagpabasahe.
Massage namin. Thanks ulit to Manuel.
Yeah.
For the great massage.
Yeah. Ganun na ang mga dating namin ni Daddy ngayon. Hindi na mga fancy restaurants and date night.
Nagda-drive lang tayo, pasundo. Ngayon, dumating na kami dito sa child.
Sobrang lapit nga lang, di ba? So,
dito sa
susunduin
daycare.
namin kids. Sa bahay lang, magstay home Valentine's simple celebration lang kami today.
Siyempre may mga surprise gift.
Yeah.
Simple
Sa mga
surprise gift ng mga kids. Para ma-feel nila na Valentine's. Anyway, once a year
Simple
lang.
celebration, yeah.
Once a year lang naman.
And nag-cook lang ako ng simple dish for our dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, see you later.
And andito na ang aming mga kiddos. Hello!
Kiddos! And it's weekend! Who's happy that it's weekend? Me, okay. So,
Pauwi na kami.
pauwi na. Actually, dumaan na si Donna ng Dollarama. Then, ngayon pauwi na kami sa bahay na sobrang lapit lang naman. Pero kailangan nga mag-drive kasi nga it's super duper.
At saka malamig talaga.
So, that's it. And
Malapit na kami
meron
sa bahay.
kaming gagawin for the kids for Valentine's Day. So, dadagdag namin dyan sa video.
See ya.
See ya. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Sit down.
Close your eyes.
Now you need to sit. Close your eyes. You need to close your... No? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes and... Ako muna.
Yep.
Open your eyes, Lian. Happy Valentine's. Here's Ghost Spider. And you have chocolate. And my Lianica. I love my Lianica card.
Open it. No,
Mamaya,
open the card.
mamaya.
And Kuya Davon, Happy Valentine's Day! Look, you have your Spidey. Nice and Kuya Davon. Lian, you wanna open your card?
Yes.
Kuya, you wanna open your card? Open.
Wow! Tingin.
Open inside.
Okay, Mom, Daddy will read. Lianica.
Lian.
Daddy will read. To Lianica, you really are a princess. But what sets you far apart is more than crowns or dresses. It's the goodness in your heart. We love you from Kuya, Mommy, and Daddy. Oh, kiss Toby. Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Mwah.
Kiss mommy too.
Kuya naman, kuya naman.
Open your card, Kuya David. Open. Do you want mommy to read it for you? To Kuya David. I love you. There just aren't enough words to describe how great you are. Happy Valentine's Day to one wonderful Kuya David. We love you from Mommy, Daddy, and Lian. Oh, kiss Mommy na.
Kiss din daddy.
Kiss din Daddy. Kiss din Daddy. Kiss din Daddy.
Wait. Mama Hero.
Theo, I love
Daddy
you,
Zor.
Daddy.
Daddy Hero.
Daddy hero.
Mommy, can you open this?
I love you, my son.
Okay, let's open na. Bilis, Kuya.
I'm fine.
Open. Down.
Look, this looks like Pac-Man.
You like your Valentine's gift?
Apo.
Opo. Tingin ako kuya nung sayo.
Spider-Man.
Open.
Open. Get it?
Five.
Okay.
And now Pac-Man.
Happy Valentine's, Mommy!
Ito na po ang regalahan namin ngayon.
Yan. Oh, may flowers pa din naman. Sinasabi nila flowers or bigas. Ayan. May flowers. At saka, ano to? Toaster. Yeah. Ganda? Astig kasi ito.
Ito yung tinuro ko sa'yo sa ano, di ba?
Yep. And I surprised you. Yeah. So, astig to kasi you don't need to guess. You just need to select one. Pag ganun yung bread gusto mo. 2, 3. So, depende sa kulay kung gaano kasunog yung gusto mo sa toast bread mo. Ganda ng interface niya. Kasi pipindutin mo yung ano.
Let's try
kung
one.
gaano kasunog yung gusto mo.
Yeah.
Yeah, try.
Let's try one bread.
Two. Make it two.
One each.
Make it two. One each.
One, and Kuya, go.
Two.
Put it
Okay.
inside.
Put it inside. Yeah, that's
One,
fine.
go.
Yeah, that's
Lian
good.
will do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Put on the other side. Okay, and
Just
Kuya,
press.
Press down. Go.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, it's very hot. baby.
Oo nga. Katulad nga, love. Sakto ka. Tingnan natin kung magkamukha. Magkamukha nga, love. Magkamukha nga.
Yay!
Galing. And, yan ang pin-repair ni Mommy. Ribs and pasta with bread. Ito yung masarap niyang spaghetti. Are you happy, Lian? Are you happy? Opo.
When I watched the Christmas, that's on the TV with Santa Claus, the
Yep.
funny Santa Claus, and ouch! Then that when it is morning Christmas, that means and they're going out. Someone says, "Youch!" No!
Hey fam, good morning! Maayong buntag Canada and Calgary. Maayong gabi isa nasa Pilipinas. Hindi na kami nakapag-bye-bye kagabi. Kasi natulog na ang Lianica and David. After movie night. So nakatulog na, napagod na. Kasi syempre galing sila ng school. Kami naman galing ng work. And of course, since morning, nag-prepare na rin kami ni Mommy ng breakfast. So, Kuya David's favorite, garlic rice. And my Lianica's favorite, longanisa. And fried egg. And my tater puffs din dun. So, that's all for our Valentine's celebration.
Daddy, I wanna
Yeah, you wanna show something?
tater puffs.
Tater puffs. So that's all for our Valentine's celebration. Have a great day, have a great night, and hopefully nag-enjoy kayo. And if you like this video, please do the thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So see you on the next video. Paalam and hang loose, kabayan!